Welcome back, fellow gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the intriguing world of Euphorbia obesa, commonly known as the baseball plant. Join us on this botanical journey as we uncover the captivating history, unique characteristics, and the secrets to successful cultivation of this fascinating living organism. A captivating succulent native to the arid regions of South Africa. With a history that spans centuries, this remarkable plant has earned the nickname baseball plant due to its striking resemblance to a baseball or a sea urchin. A member of the Euphorbia family, this compact succulent features a spherical globular body with distinctive ribs that create mesmerizing patterns. The plant's color ranges from pale green to bluish green, complemented by vertical stripes. Caring for Euphorbia obesa requires attention to its specific needs. This drought-tolerant plant thrives in well-draining soil and bright indirect sunlight. Adequate ventilation is crucial to prevent moisture-related issues and ensure the plant's optimal health. Enhance the visual appeal of your garden by pairing the baseball plant with other striking succulents or contrasting plants. Consider combining it with varieties of Hayworthia, lithops, or agave for an eye-catching display. Euphorbia obesa is cherished for its ornamental value and unique appearance, making it a popular addition to succulent collections and indoor landscapes. However, it's essential to handle this plant with care, as its milky latex sap may cause skin irritation. There you have it. Captivating exploration of the history and native range, description, growing conditions and requirements, companion planting, and uses of Euphorbia obesa, the remarkable baseball plant. Embrace the allure of this distinctive succulent in your gardening endeavors, and stay tuned for more enthralling episodes on a diverse range of living organisms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Happy gardening!